Barack Obama. Barack Obama stood before a cheering crowd in a Minnesota Convention Hall at Paul, Minnesota on 3rd June 2008, Tuesday night declaring himself the Democratic presidential nominee. His speech marked the end to what has been at times a bruising 5-month-long campaign that history will remember as resulting in the first African American to win a major party's nomination. Obama called it a defining moment for our nation. We owe our children a better future. We owe our country a better future. So at the same time, the New York senator said she was committed to unifying our party. Obama secured more than the 2,118 delegates needed to win the Democratic Party's nomination after two final primaries on Tuesday in South Dakota and Montana, which resulted in a split decision. Clinton won South Dakota, where she and former President Bill Clinton had made several campaign appearances in the past week, while Obama captured Montana. Senator Hillary Clinton has made history in this campaign not just because she is a woman who has done what no woman has done before, but because she is a leader who inspires millions of Americans with her strength, her courage, and a commitment to the causes that brought us here tonight, Obama said. So, this is a speech. First and foremost thing, he started talking about Senator Hillary Clinton. Tonight I can stand before you and say that I will be the Democratic nominee for President of the United States. He used the word change 16 times in his speech. Let us begin the work together. Let us unite in common effort to chart a new course for America. So this is what his speech slogan was like. It repeatedly was saying the word change, change. 16 times he has used the word change in his campaign. Obama spent a good deal of time on his opponent John McCain, whom the crowd first greeted with bows, but switched quickly to cheers when Obama mentioned his military service. His critique and the campaign strategy for the campaign came down to a single passage. John McCain has spent a lot of time talking about trips to Iraq in the last few weeks, but maybe if he spent some time taking trips to cities and towns that have been hardest hit by this economy, cities in Michigan and Ohio, and right here in Minnesota, he'd understand the kind of change that people are looking for. So he was criticizing the campaign made by John McCain. So he was saying instead of him making trips to Iraq and all, he could have spent some time here and could have seen how people are hit by the economy. So this is what he used his strategy in his campaign. He started talking about John McCain and his power of and the way he ruled the people. We are going to see that kind of flip back to the economy for the next 5 months. In prepared remarks, Obama praised his vanquished rival Hillary Rodham Clinton and took direct aim to John McCain, the Republican he will face in November. So he was directly hitting McCain. Senator Hillary Clinton has made history in this campaign not just because she is a woman who has done what no woman has done before, he said, but because she is a leader who inspires millions. So again and again, he was stressing on this particular topic that just because she's a woman, I'm not trying to, talk about her because she's a leader who inspired millions of people. That's the reason I'm stressing about Hillary Clinton again and again, he says. Of McCain, Obama said that he respects his many accomplishments even if he chooses to deny mine. My differences with him are not personal. They are with the policies he has proposed in this campaign. So he says, I am not different. I am not different. I am not against this McCain and all. I am here only against his policies. He was trying to showcase all his policies which he was proposing in this campaign. There are many words to describe John McCain's attempt to pass off his embrace of George Bush's policies as bipartisan and new. But change is not one of them. So he just started reminding like what and all he did when he was campaigning, when he wanted to be a president, when he was fighting against George Bush. Okay, so after that only he became. So he was trying to say that like all the attempt he did fine, but now there is no change which he has brought in. Directing his words beyond the hall to a national audience, he declared, "America, this is our moment." So directly he was addressing to the people, stating that this is our moment. Think a lot and try to vote for the best person. But he said, time will tell whether Obama's rise has any tangible impact on African American community of Minnesota. The state's blacks, he said, lag far behind the rest of the population in graduation rates, home ownership, and rates of unemployment three times the rest of Monestans. So he was just comparing how the African Americans were treated in Minnesota, and he was saying that how they were all lagging back with the population of the whites over there. So he was highlighting all these things. So when he is when given this presidentship, he was promising that all this will be eradicated. In a speech, Obama said his achievement was a turning point for the nation. So his achievement would be a turning point for the nation if he is winning this presidentship. America, this is our moment, he said. This is our time to turn the page on the policies of the past, our time to bring new energy and new ideas to the challenges we face, our time to offer a new direction for the country we love. So this is the straight lines from him, like what he was trying to say to the people that is quoted here in your lesson. And Barack Obama made history in St. Paul on Tuesday night, declaring to an ecstatic overflow crowd at Excel Energy Center that he is a Democratic presidential nominee. He openly stated that during that night he was declaring that is an ecstatic overflow crowd. At that crowd, he was saying that he was a nominee of the Democratic presidential uh, contestant. Okay, he becomes the first black candidate to lead a major party into the November election. So he's the first. It is a history. He's the first black candidate to lead the party to the November election. So the first time in American history we have seen a black trying to go for a nomination, and he has even, and you all know, he has won also. So this is a great story about Barack Obama, and we could only see that one's particular speeches, campaign speeches were quoted for you in this lesson, Barack Obama. So you can just make a note of it and have a write up an essay on this very easily and simple. Thank you.